Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile complimentary recommended services. Let's take a closer look. Here we have a 2017 Nissan Maxima SL. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, chrome trim, and lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2017 Nissan Maxima is one of the more interesting and appealing midsize sedans out there. This Maxima has 18-inch machined aluminum alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see here, the Maxima is in great condition. It has a programmable projector beam halogen daytime running lamp with delayed off, along with fog lights, speed-sensitive wipers, and a really nice chrome accented grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with a variable transmission. This Maxima has front-wheel drive and is estimated the driver will receive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget, this Maxima only has 2,736 miles on it. At the back of the Maxima, you can see the antenna, dual exhausts, chrome tips, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open up the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking in the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious and has back seats that fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a floor mat, a cargo net, and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you notice this Maxima has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as the back seat pockets. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. The driver will be very comfortable in the power-adjustable heated leather seating. You also have a very large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Maxima is also equipped with a locking glove box, garage door opener, and push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, trunk release, power door locks with auto lock, and the window power switch with the easy express up and down. This Maxima has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, heated and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature that everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power dual moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 11 Bose speakers. It includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect your devices using the aux port. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use as well. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. And again, this vehicle is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as the 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty, parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, a lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program, where we will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at 888-272-5869 or visit us again at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.